Hello everybody, this is Sandra the Goat Lady, and boy do I have some exciting news for you guys. I finally finished my research and I played math scientist in my kitchen here in my workshop, and I came up with an amazing hormonal balance cream. It has wild yam and chester berries in it. The oil is infused with this, and it's also whipped. So this is how it looks. It's beautiful, and it's very easy to use. It's not a strong scent, and it's not an unpleasant scent, and it's very light on your skin as well. It comes with instructions on how to store it, and yeah, this is a lotion packed with fullness. Menopausal symptoms, testosterone issues, even PMS issues will be diminished with this. So check it out on www.cajuncorral.com, or come by the storefront and you can check it out there as well. Talk to you later. Bye.